Let's continue to install our FernLite. It should be noted that the page will now indicate that your FernLite system is currently in Pokey State, indicating that the configuration so far has been successful and the FernLite is connected to your local network. This might take a minute until the portal detects the FernLite is connected successfully. Once the FernLite is connected successfully, you need to click on Next to proceed with the installation. Now you need to name your device as per your convenience. For example, the name can contain the project location, system type, or the customer name. Choose between a single-phase or three-phase system type from the drop-down menu, regardless the number of inverters in the system. Click Next. Please note that the single-phase or three-phase system should be selected regardless of the number of devices in the system. Now under the Configure Device, select Inverter Type from the drop-down menu. Click Next. Please note that the next page could take about 60 seconds to load. Please be patient here. You have now reached the Connect Devices section. The device name should now be visible on the Connected Devices page. If the page does not already show the expected devices, select the number from the drop-down, which should be equivalent to the number of inverters in the system. Click on Update Devices and wait till the expected and detected devices are the same. Click Finish once completed. Please do not select 0 expected number of devices, otherwise no data will be logged. Moving on to Preview, you can see the summary of the installed devices. Your installation process is now complete.